Hi investors, it's Bernice with TurnKeyInvest.com, and we are continuing our tour in the 38053, taking a look at 6311 Brockman Drive in Millington, Tennessee. This home is listed at $185 flat, 4-bed, 2-bath, and you want to know the best part? Music to our ears. Let's hear it. County taxes only. Let's go take a look. At first glance, this home has a beautiful curb appeal with gorgeous landscaping out front. Very charming home. I love that front door. It is located on a quiet street here in Millington. 2-car driveway pad with an awning for one of your cars. Now, Millington is known for its plethora of job opportunities. There are several factories in the area. The closest one being not factory, but closest job opportunity would be the Naval Activity Base, which is about 5 minutes away. This home is also 35 minutes away from the new Blue Oval project. Let's take a look inside. Welcome home. Gorgeous front entry door. Beautiful tile in the walkway here. Leads us into the living room. Built-in wood shelving. Cozy fireplace in the corner. Tile in the living room. Wood laminate flooring in the kitchen. Lots of cabinet space in this kitchen. All appliances stay with this home. Here is the pantry closet being used as a cleaning closet. Currently, the road is your oyster with this. You get whatever you want. Wood shelving up top. Oh, my apologies. Metal shelving. Side access door to the home, right off of the dry port. Tile flooring in the hall. We take a left. We have the shared bath, which is also the primary bath. Large vanity. Linen closet to the left of the vanity. Tile flooring in the bathroom. Beautiful tub and shower. Just off of this bathroom, we have the primary. I would say a full bed or a queen bed with 1 or 2 dressers, depending on which one you pick, would fit in here. This person decided to go with 4 dressers. So it is a little tight, but they still made it work. Decent sized room. If we go directly across the hall, we have bedroom number 3. With laminate flooring in here as well. Enough room for a full bed and a dresser or 2. Let's take a look at this closet. Dual doors concealing the closet, beautiful. Wood laminate flooring flows into the closet. Metal shelving up top with a metal rod to hang your clothes. Head back down this hall. Directly across from the bathroom, we have the washer and dryer hookup. Metal shelving up top. for extra storage. Freshly painted stairs leading up to the second story. Here we have bedroom number 2. New carpet all upstairs. Attic access to the right and to the left. Right by the entry door, we have the closet door. This is a deep closet. Plenty of room for all your accessories and extra items you need to be put in storage. To the left of this bedroom, we have the shared bath. Tile flooring. Beautiful vanity. It looks like a new vanity. Very clean, well-maintained tub and shower. Directly across from this, we have a linen closet. Carpet flows into the closet. Metal shelving. HVAC system to the left. At the end of this hall, we have bedroom number 4. Again, new carpet in this bedroom as well. Enough room for a full and 2 dressers and room to spare. Another spacious closet with shelving. Let's head back downstairs and take a look at the backyard. Very cute. We have a wood deck just off of the living room doors. Beautiful bench over here. Perfect for entertaining. Spacious backyard that's still easily manageable. Lots of room for outdoor activities, gardening, or just relaxing during your evening. Now this home is also 10 minutes away from Lions Park Pavilion if this yard does not do it for you. They have playgrounds, trails, and it is a dog-friendly park. There's also a concrete patio just off of the wood deck here. Beautiful home. 4-bed, 2-bath would be perfect for a family. The nearest school is the Millington Central Middle High, which is about 8 minutes away. And this home is about 30 minutes away from downtown Memphis. Thank you so much for going on this tour with me. As you can tell, this home is a wonderful investment opportunity located here in Millington, Tennessee. With county taxes, I mean, come on. This home has only been on the market for 9 days. If you have any further questions about this property, need help building your portfolio, or just have questions about investing in the Memphis and surrounding areas like Millington, Tennessee here, please feel free to reach out to my team at turnkeyinvest.com. You can find the link below, along with ibuyyourhouse.com and foundationpropertymanagement.com. Please like, share, subscribe, and follow. Bye.